Before driving, adjust the seat position so that you can easily control the steering wheel and the acceleration and brake pedals. For manual seats, pull the adjustment lever up to adjust the seat position. For automatic seats, use the adjustment switch to adjust the seat. Move the switch to the front, back, top, or bottom to adjust the seat. If you change drivers frequently, use the driver position memory system so that the seat, side mirrors, and head-up display are clearly in sight. When the car has started and the shift lever is in park mode, in order to save the driver position and settings for the current state, such as the seat, mirrors, and head-up display, press and hold button 1 or button 2 for longer than 1 second. If the settings are saved properly, a beep will sound twice and a message will be displayed on the LCD display. The next time you drive, pressing the same button automatically adjusts the driver's seat to the saved position and settings and displays a message on the LCD display. Use the Relaxion Comfort Seat feature to relieve fatigue with the optimal position. Use the automatic switch positioned on the side of the seat cushion to easily use this feature. Pressing the end of the automatic switch for more than 1 second displays a text on the infotainment system screen. Pressing the same switch again within 5 seconds moves the seat to the Relaxion Comfort Seat position. During automatic adjustment, using the seat adjustment switch ends the automatic operation. While the Relaxion Comfort Seat is in effect, pressing the front of the automatic switch for more than 1 second returns the seat back to the previous position.
Kia, movement that inspires.